Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Christmas plum and glittery look, perfect for this holiday season. Yeah, I wanted to do something more glam. I've been doing some very simple looks and this is what I came up with. So if you like to see how to go about recreating this, keep watching. For this tutorial I used the berries from Juvia's and the Whatever palette from ColourPop. Not Your Average from Real Her blush, Voluminous Mascara from L'Oreal, and e.l.f. concealer, Wet n Wild Breakup Proof liquid eyeliner in black, LA Colors Lip Plumping Lip Gloss. And here are the brushes all listed out. Okay, we're going to start with a concealer. And patting it down. Now taking the pencil brush, we're going into the plum. This is a matte plum shade. And we're applying it right on the crease, going back and forth to begin with. Make sure to gently work this color. Apply more in the inner corner and working out. Making sweeping motions and then circular motions too. It looks aggressive because I sped it up, but promise you I am doing this gently. So we're trying to create a wing shape with this eyeshadow, and we apply little by little so we don't have too much to work with at a time. Now with a small blending brush we're going to blend out the edges. Okay, now with a detail brush we're going to go back into the plum, and this is so we can darken this color without creating a smudge. And this also helps with creating that wing shape. Gives us a little more control when you use a small detail brush. You can get into the corners more easily. Back with the blending brush, and we're going to blend again. Just along the edges. Okay, now with the blending brush we're going to go into Pass It On from the ColourPop palette, and we're applying it along the edge of the plum. Just very lightly and very little. Back into the plum with a detail brush, and this time we're going to further create that wing, really sharpen it. And again into the crease, because the color this color tends to disappear if you blend it, so I needed to apply a little more. Okay, now into my favorite shade with a flat shadow brush. We're going to pat it on the center of the eye. This is a gorgeous shade, especially in person. Okay, now we're going to take some of the plum and apply it on the inner corner and the outer corner, meeting the center shade. Time for glitter with our glitter wand. And we're going to pat the glitter on the brows. Now using our pinky just to make sure it's set, and taking a mascara brush, a clean one, just to fix those hairs a little bit. Back into that shimmery reddish shade, and this time just at the tip of that brush to go underneath, right on the center of the eye. Time for eyeliner. I did a thin eyeliner along the lash line. You can do a thicker wing if you want to. And time for mascara. Applying on the bottom eyelashes and a whole lot on the top. If you look at the pictures, my eyelashes are really thick because I put a lot of mascara. Back with the wand, and this time we're applying it underneath, right on the center, and it's okay if you get some on the eyelashes. Blush time, and just feathering it on or dusting your cheeks with that beautiful mauve shade. And we're going to go into pass it on just to give it more of a brownish tone, just a little bit, dusting that on as well. And applying the lip plumper, no lip liner. And the look is done. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it and that you do try this look out if you have similar colors and some glitter, or if you have the exact same thing that I have. Don't forget to give my video the thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already subscribed for more tutorials to come. And as always, rock on.